Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kuma on Ubuntu. Let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is open up the terminal, and we're going to update our package lists, and then we want to install Podman. So to do this, we can just type sudo apt install Podman. Now that we've installed Podman, we're going to configure it to pull all of our images off of Docker Hub. So to do this, we're going to type sudo nano /etc/containers/registries.conf, and at the bottom, we're going to add registries.search, and then we're going to add registries equals docker.io. And now we're going to save and exit. And now we're going to run the Kuma image from Docker Hub. So to do this, we're going to type podman run -d --restart equals always -p 3001:3001 -v uptime -kuma /app/data --name space uptime -kuma space Lewis Lamb /uptime-kuma:1, and it's done. So now we're going to open up a web browser, and we're going to go to localhost :3001, and it worked. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye.